It's a certified 2016 Chevrolet Equinox. Stylish, energized, and ready for takeoff, this is a multitasker that doesn't compromise. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, driver memory seats, automatic transmission, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. The Car Connection remarks, whether you're moving into the Equinox from a mid-size car or from a more truck-like SUV, you'll find a lot to like in the cabin design. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.